Hey guys, welcome to my video. If you're new here, my name is Jessica, and today I'm basically going to be exposing myself and how good I am at Facetune. So I got the idea for this video when I saw Gabriel Zamora do a video where he took a selfie and then he Facetuned a whole face of makeup onto his photo. And I was pretty blown away, and I was like, okay, let me try this out. Let me see how good I am. And I haven't tried this out yet. I've only ever accentuated what already exists on my face in terms of makeup. So if there's like a color or a shade, you know, like accentuating that a little bit more, but I've never created something out of nothing. So I'm gonna be really curious to see if I can even pull this off. So that is why I am wearing no makeup in this video, and I kind of want to get started and see if this is something that I can do. Let's just get into testing my Facetune skills, shall we? First, I need to make some room. I don't think I have any room on my phone, to be honest. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is take my selfie. Okay, let's see what kind of photos we got. That one's good, that one's good, that one's blurry. Looks like we've got it down to these two. Okay, I'm gonna pick this one. So I'm gonna go into the Facetune app. I have Facetune too. I went ahead and paid for it. It just has more like editing flexibility. Really awesome tools like erasing your background, and the defocus tool is really good to like making your photos look a little bit more expensive and like quality, like you got that good lens instead of just shooting with like a kit lens on a camera kind of thing. I am actually going to start with makeup, I think. So let's zoom into these eyes, and I'm just gonna do like a brown look. So I'm gonna go into the skin brush and take this really light shade and paint it under the brow on both sides. I'm also gonna turn my do not disturb on so I don't get any text. And then I'm gonna do like a light brown on the lid. And on the other lid, do a little bit brown, and then I'm going to put it underneath the eye as well. I'm going to click OK and pick a light brown. We'll just use that. That looks better. We'll just put it at the end to like smoke it out, and then just underneath my eye as well. And then create like kind of a little smoky eye. I'm trying to like remember how I do my makeup and create like a version of that. Okay, I'm not gonna do that little wing. I'm just gonna do that. Okay, so let's do under the eye a little bit. I think I'm gonna go back into paint, and we're just gonna take this really dark brown and just kind of smudge it at the end here. Do the same thing to the other eye. I don't know about this. I'm just gonna say okay. And then we're just gonna make it like a point. So there we have like a little liner. And then other side, same thing. Horrible. Okay, you need to get really close so the brush is really small. Line that eye and then do like a little one at an angle. Okay. That's not bad. Alright, we'll click OK on that. I think I could do with a little bit more smoke under my eyes. So I'm gonna go into paint and pick like a nice dark brown and just go underneath. And then lighten it. I'm not even going to attempt to draw eyelashes because I don't even know where to start on that. I think my brows are pretty good. Okay, we'll leave that as is, and we'll start with the face. A little bit of contour. Okay, so in skin, I'm going to pick this brown and do my contour down the jaw, under the lip, the philtrum, the nose, of course, and a little bit on the forehead. And then maybe try it on the other side. And then the key part is you take the slider and you turn it down. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it down to around 26 and press OK. But then I'm gonna go back in and do the exact same thing, but this time just to the jaw, the cheekbone, the lip, and the nose. And then I'm gonna pull the dial back a little less, so 68. And it's gonna look a little rough, but this is part of a bigger plan. Bear with me here. So then I'm gonna go into paint and we're gonna go into skin, and I'm gonna do a little blush with this like pink color and just put that on my cheeks. This is so weird to do on like a flat face that's like not smiling. Alright, so we'll leave that as is, and then we're gonna go into paint. Actually, let's do skin again, and I'm gonna pick a lighter color and put it where my under eye is, and then also where my cheekbones are, and then down my nose as well. And then I'm gonna go into retouch and the smoother function. I'm just gonna smooth my whole face. So this is gonna help smooth out kind of like those harsher lines, but I made the lines a little bit harsher so they would show up through the smoother tool. And then I'm just gonna bring it down a little bit, probably to like 37. And then we're gonna put some texture over it. And this is every Instagrammer's best kept secret, is smoothing your face to make it look flawless and then adding texture on over top to make it look real. I'm spilling the tea. Okay, then I'm gonna use the glow and bring that down the nose. So that's gonna help with highlight, and then at the cheekbone and the wheel. And then we're gonna lessen that a little bit so it doesn't look totally suspicious. And then what I use to make my highlighter pop is the structure tool. So I'm just gonna put that across my cheekbones and my nose. And then I'm actually gonna smooth my nose. My nose is looking a little bit sus. Yeah, go over my nose one more time just to sort of lessen the intensity there, and then go over my whole face with texture again. This is ridiculous. Okay, lastly, let's get some lipstick on this girl. Let's do, what are my options? Let's do my eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna use the picker tool to pick up the color for my eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna go into paint and then just use it to paint my lips. Okay, that looks awful. Okay, there we go. Okay, the lips kind of give it away. I'm gonna do that much, and then my lips are kind of chapped, so I'm gonna go back into the smoother tool and just smooth them, and then make sure that we're not smoothing the lip line, otherwise it's gonna look so fake, faker than it already looks. Okay, the lips are kind of giving me a hard time. I went from like not sure if I was gonna do it, and I feel kind of like an evil genius now. Is there anything else that I can do? I can smooth my hair. So let's go ahead and smooth my little hairs, and then we're only gonna do like 15 smooth. And then I still don't like how my lips are looking, so I'm gonna go into tone and use pink and just paint over them. Okay, I'm gonna keep it like that. Okay, so I think that about covers it. I got a like decent eye look without blush, contour, like a little bit of highlight, lipstick, foundation. So this is like a before, after, before, after, before, after. Oh my god. Oh my god. No cheekbones? Cheekbones. Call me the catfish queen. Oh my god. I need to make a Tinder profile stat. Make the first picture this one, the second picture this one. Oh my god. Saving that. And so that's the thing that I just did. How are we gonna phrase this? I just Facetuned makeup onto my entire face. I think I just leveled up my Facetune game, to be honest, and I'm very, very like impressed with this. I need to send this to some people. Okay, so that just happened, and I think I just proved to the world I am a force to be reckoned with when it comes to Facetune, and that you can probably just never trust another photo that I put out ever again. Now that I've gone ahead and completely exposed myself in Facetune, I think it's time for me to go. And just like, I'll let you guys sit with that. So feel free to do your own Facetune before and after and DM it to me on Instagram. I would be so hyped to see how you guys do this and to see like what other people's techniques are, because like I can't draw eyelashes apparently, but I would love to see someone, oh, if they did like a full fake lash look, if that's even possible. Just send me your creations. I would love to see them. And give me a big thumbs up if you want to see more deceiving videos like this. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys next time.